In this video, I will show you how to fix if Roblox is not opening in the Microsoft Store. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is come to your desktop, and from your desktop, if you come down to the bottom left hand corner and in the search box down here, just go ahead and type apps. Now underneath best match, open up the apps in settings, and this is going to load up a screen like this, and from here just go ahead and press onto apps. Next, what you want to do is come to the search box here and just go ahead and search for Microsoft Store. And as you can see, that's going to locate the Microsoft Store app. So what you want to do next is click onto the app itself, and you should see a blue link which says advanced options. So go ahead and click onto this, and that's going to take you across to a screen like this. From here, what you're going to want to do is just scroll down until you get to this reset section. And what you want to do first is go ahead and press the repair button. Once that's completed, you're going to see a tick next to the box, and what you want to do then is go ahead and press the reset button. So once you've gone ahead and done that, what you're going to want to do is restart your PC and see if that resolves the problem. Now, if your Roblox is still not working, it's still not opening on the Microsoft Store, what you're going to want to do is come back into the app screen over here, and this time you want to go ahead and type Roblox into the search box. Now you can see a few different versions of Roblox have come up, so what you want to do is actually select this one. This is the Microsoft Store version. The Roblox player is actually the web-based version of Roblox, so you want to make sure you select this one. And all we're going to do is simply repeat the process. So again, you want to click onto advanced options, come down to the reset section and press onto the repair box. And once that's done, go ahead and click the reset box. Now make sure if you're currently logged into Roblox that you make a note of your login details, because what this is going to do is actually log you out of Roblox. But once that's done, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and restart your system. And once you've gone ahead and restarted your PC, you should now be able to launch Roblox on the Microsoft Store. So that is how to go ahead and fix if Roblox is not opening in the Microsoft Store. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.